Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I will teach you how to get high quality photos or images without watermark so that you can use them in any of your designs. I hope that sounds interesting. So let's dive in. So to get started, open your web browser and in your address bar, search for iStock.com. It's on the screen, iStock.com. Fine. When it opens, equally make sure that images are selected here, images. Then you come here and search any photo of your choice. So let me say couples hangout. Couples hangout. Fine. So, and as you know, you equally have access to millions of pictures to choose from. Just scroll. And another interesting thing, when you hover on a particular picture, you can click to get similar. If you like this particular picture, you can click on similar images to see other photos that looks like this. Okay, so just choose anyone. I think I'm liking this, so I'll click on it to open. Fine. And as you can see here, it has a watermark, an iStock watermark. So for us to remove this, we're gonna copy the link again, navigate to downloader.la. Is on the screen as well. Fine. So choose this first link. Choose this first link. So we are here. So scroll down. You can see from this downloader.la, we can have access to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Alamy pictures or photos, MBA, MBT, Scanpix. All right. Get paid stock, threads, there are lots of them. So now, because what we copied from or the website we visited was iStock.com. So when you come to downloader.la, I'm going to close this advert. Make sure you come to where they said get paid stock. Getpaidstock.com. So click on it to open, like visit it. Then come here and paste that same link and click on search photo. There's search photo here. Good. Now we have this next button that says download generated photo. I'll close this ad again. And as you can see, the watermark has disappeared. So quickly right click on it and say save image as. So you click to save. That's it. Now I'll open another one. Getty images. All right, the link will equally show on the screen. There's it, gettyimages.com. You click on it. So as we did it before, search any photos of your choice here. Let me say dog, right? Okay. Oh, I did another thing. I said dog, D-O-G, yeah, dog. Okay, this is good. I only want okay, scroll through to choose any one of your choice. I think I'm liking this, the way it's looking at me. All right, so you see this watermark too. So copy this link again, Control C, go to this same place. Okay, I'm gonna return back, go back again. Now this is okay, there's it here, Getty downloader. So click on it. Don't be confused, maybe because you didn't see the logo. All right, just all you are interested in seeing where they wrote the name of the website you visited. So this is Getty. So click on it. close the ad, paste the link here in the search box and click on the search photo. All right, so click on download generated photo. Close the ad. The watermark again has disappeared, as you can see. So quickly right click on it and save. Do you understand? Let me even click on it to preview. There's it, as you can see. All right, so that is the same way you're gonna do to any of the royalty stock photo websites. Let me try alarm. All right, that's, yes, alarmy.com. It's gonna show on the screen again, alarmy.com. These are websites where you can get high quality images for your works, for your designs. High quality images. All right, and equally ensure that all images are selected here. Then search for the images or the photo you are looking for. So let me say cars. Okay, fine. So scroll through again. Um, okay, let me just say Tesla car. Tesla car. Okay, I think I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay, let me choose this. Good. Now, when you look into the image again, you will see all the alarming watermarks written all over it. All right. So we still want to remove all these things without dropping a sweat. So click on the link to copy. We'll go back to our downloader.la. You still come back here, and this is alarming, and you click on download now. Close the ad. Fine. Then here you paste and search photo. Click on download generated photo, close the ad again, and boom, the whole watermarks have disappeared. So right click again to say download. All right, now notice again that in this downloader.la we didn't sign in into any, we didn't create any account, we didn't sign in into any of our accounts. Just get the link of the images from the website, from the iStock royalty photos, all right, that you want to download. Get it, navigate to downloader.la, then and paste your link in the right place, all right. Make sure you are pasting it in the right place. If you are getting Shutterstock, make sure you are using the Shutterstock button. If you are getting the Adobe Stock, make sure you are pasting the link in the Adobe Stock button. The same with this, all right. And all of them, they are more, as you can see, they are more. So with this, I know you don't have limitations again to your design needs. I know you got value in this video. Please encourage me by smashing the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or topics you would want me to cover, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.